This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jamie Green. Charming one-level country living. This ranch is nestled on a 1-acre lot in the Gibbs Community. You'll love the spacious floor plan with split bedrooms and 2 living spaces. The large open kitchen offers lots of cabinetry for all your storage needs. West/large kitchen island. The master ensuite includes dual vanity and jacuzzi tub. Enjoy a quiet, peaceful setting from the side deck off of master bedroom or back deck. Enjoy plenty of privacy in the 1-acre yard for all your entertaining desires. Located just minutes from Gibbs schools and halls and I-640. Come see this home today. Professional photos coming soon. For more information, review the details below or contact Jamie Green at 865-693-1111.